Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna be riding a car, but not this. I almost got hit by a car, and I see that car pass right now, which was the color green, and I don't know which freaking car to ride. Hey, let me, why does this keep happening with those big engines? Hey, I can change the engine. Yeah, the small one's okay. Can't even. Only if the smoke comes, I can see it. Okay, so. Are you sure what kind of shit this is? I didn't say that. I don't know which car to ride. I don't know, but still not any car. Okay. God. You see my waist? These ads. Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God, my mom is crazy. Oh. Toilet? Are you sure toilet? Are you sure? This is a cutie toilet, not a toilet. Phew. Killed him on the first try. Okay, 3 people which have the worst cars. And demolition. Oh. I'll go back a bit. Good dodge, by the way. Your cars are so weak. I need to show them this again, find a second. Hey, one of the... The streets of doom. The videos of death. Hey, I thought that was a person. So I hit it. And Panko. Hey, man, this guy's dead. Hey, Drakey. And man, I'm dead. Man, I'm gone. Man, dead. I think Mike is dead. Mike. I'm talking about Mike. And Mike is me. Go. Man, look at my full body. I'm a complete mess. You see my windows are broken. No. Should have chosen truck. Or another car. Oh yeah, the Ferrari, boy. Okay. Out the street now, I'm coming to get revenge. Again, pick up the picture. Okay. Hey, okay. Naughty corner. It's coming. Now what game is this? Imposter Garden. Good job. I forgot that we can't say any light things would make you don't sound. Man, you're there. Hey, most of them are there. Hey, I didn't see that. Let's see when the Santa Sleigh gets destroyed. No, don't worry. Good. I tried panini? I have. It's so disgusting and spicy. It's just a bit spicy. It's not disgusting, it's spicy, but I hate spicy food. Except the spiciness, which is masala. Also wavy from Lay's. They made wavy flavor too. Oh my god! The Santa's little flying. Did you see that? It was a real Santa sleigh. Oh man, it's good. Man, the Santa's really good. I wonder if it's Blake or Blake. Oh, Victor. Victor always dies. Oh my, killed him. Okay, no one be running. Ew, when the heck is the Santa? I knew. Ew, it was not Blake, it was Drake. Not Blake. Ew, I have to flee. Boost? And I can. I zoomed. Man, guess these guys are freaking making me angry. Bye bye. Hey, I wonder what's his name? Bye bye. Man, here's a purple car. Disgusting. A purple car with some of a boy. That guy is literally gay. Okay, that guy is literally gay. Red snapper. I don't know. Oh my god. Don't feel. Oh no, man. Man, I want to be just. Oh, okay. I'm gonna run. Oh my, now it's big. Now who's saying? Oh! No. Ah! Victor! Come back, boy. Okay, who is that the car's name? Venom? Select. Ah! Hate you, Ed. I wish Ed were dead. I wish Ed was never freaking created. Get away from here. Venom, yeah, boy. It's Venom. Shouldn't it supposed to be a Ferrari? See, a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. A Connect. This here. I checked, but it's still the ground. In my real life. Hey, by the way, I'm doing my age video for now. You know what it is? It's Kevin. I'm too smart for being a YouTuber. You know, I'm too smart for being a YouTuber. But my brother is 9 and he's a YouTuber. I'm playing the software work. And games. The software work, gaming. MK Gaming. I don't know, that's my brother. Okay guys, so it was MK Gaming 1978. And before you go, like and subscribe, but I'm still driving this car. Hey. And like and subscribe to MK Gaming 1978. Okay. I don't even need the use of coins. Let's download it from Play Store and an iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Flying.
Hey, yo.
I'm joking. He has an iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Okay.
But
This.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch him. I'm not
Okay.
saying anything about him anymore.
Okay.
Or he will get angry and punch me in the face.
Hey, the
Good
window
job.
broken? No.
Good job.
It's not destroyed yet.
Good job, bruh.
Bye-bye. Hey, yo, I can fix my car. Ah! Okay, bye, guys. Hey. I didn't skip the video yet. Bang! Oh my god, I got beaten up in real life for now. I'm too scared to be alive. Okay, a stop sign over here. A stop. Hey, yo, I see my garage. I think I'm gonna go give the kids a ride. Let me head to the school bus so I can give the kids a ride. Look at it. Okay, let's give the kids a free ride. Okay. That's quiet. Nah. Got a much better song. Car. What about this car? It's a Ferrari. I don't know. It's a Bugatti. I don't know. My brother is a car enthusiast. He loves cars except life. And that's what I told him. If you like cars and hate life, life hates you. That is how it is. My brother is so annoying that he can't even hear anything on one time, and he doesn't listen to our parents. He doesn't listen to him. And he says forever, then also me. He called me bun of a sitch, and I call him son of a bitch. That's what the opposite words he told me. Woo! Oh my! Okay. Did you just see that? You see that? It's funny. Oh my god, that was a very big step right there. Wait. Oh my, no. Man, I'm dead. Help. Now, much better. Let's go on driving it. Hey, yo, 12 minutes already. It's time for us to sleep. But don't care. I don't care. I'll still stay awake. Bob! I can't. I need to tell him you're your subscriber. But I can't. We started on July 1. We started on July 1, 2022. We have never been a YouTuber before, so someone teached us how to do it, and then we were a YouTuber. First of all, they made our channels made MK Gaming, 1978. Just for getting the last number. And now we're doing it. So, what the heck are people lying these days, right, guys? Yeah. I don't need a picture anymore. No, it's better. Wait. What do I do? Yep. That's what I was doing. I'm fart already. What's that? Yeah, when I had this fart. Okay. Okay, let's did you just hear that 30 million sound? Okay, you like the song that I played on my playlist? Okay, so the first night With two kids under the blue light, we ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona morning. I was so hungover and never thought that all would led to death. Kind of like that song. Okay, guys, so before you do something, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys.